How to add WhatsApp chat button on your Google Sites. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a WhatsApp chat button on your website that you're creating on Google Sites. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So right here, you can see this is a template available on Google Sites. And if you want to now add a WhatsApp chat button, what you'll need to do is you'll need to add a widget for it. For that, simply search for Elf site. You can head over to elfsite.com and here you can just add widgets. It's really easy to use. So first head over to Elf site and then log in into your account. After you log in into your account, here on the top, you'll find widgets. Tap on widgets and there you should see different widgets available. And what you'll need to search here is WhatsApp chat. This is the one right here. Simply press on WhatsApp chat. Make sure you're logged in into your account as well. After you do that, tap on create widget for free. After you tap on that, you can scroll down. Here you will find what your template is going to look like. There are different options available like this. So let's say that I just want this. Then you can tap on continue with this template. Then now add in your mobile number. So just add in your mobile number. And after you add in your mobile number, what you can do is you can add it to WhatsApp, your website for free. Keep doing this. There is a few things that you need to do again, such as adding a picture and stuff like that. So after you choose a picture, after you choose this phone number, you can then go to content. There you can see bubble icon and stuff like that. You can head over to settings and stuff. Then tap on publish. After you tap on publish, you will get this code right here. You can copy the code from here. So all you have to now do is come back here. Let's say this is the place that I want to embed or add the widget at. Head over to embed right here. Then tap on embed code. Then paste it. After you do that, tap on next. Then tap on insert. And there you can see your WhatsApp chat button. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you do this. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.